So the highlights from the workshop for me was mostly just the atmosphere. I found it was a very encouraging and engaging atmosphere, so everybody was very encouraged to just take part and get the absolute most they could out of the program. The activities as well were really fun for me. They were all very different, so you were encouraged to think about how they related to the topic a lot more, which I found helped me get a lot more out of the program. It also was just made it a lot more fun. I really enjoyed the boat activity we did, where everyone was forced to work together, and it really highlighted the different roles that people just automatically take on in a group. So yeah, it was just a lot of fun and very engaging. I found it really improved the way I worked with my co-workers, so I was a lot more aware about the roles that they naturally take on in a group environment, and I was able to alter my own personal approach to that to, I guess, optimize the way we work together. So it really improved our productivity and just the quality of work that we did, because there was a lot, I guess the interactions were just a lot smoother, and so that really helped the process along. I think everyone should really attend the program like this, just because it's the sort of skills that everyone can use, no matter where in the workforce you're at. Women in particular, I think, because it really helps you to develop a leadership style that is very adaptable. And so I guess a lot of women can experience some form of, I guess, difficulty or certain obstacles to entering a leadership position, and this really sort of helps with handling all sorts of different situations to just really improve the way that you handle and cope with the leadership roles.